Filed for bankruptcy, maybe went through a divorce and that ruined your credit. Here's how to start rebuilding your scores. If you've been through bankruptcy and want to buy a house someday, it's not out of reach. Here's where to start. You're going to start with a secured credit card. That's right. You put down a refundable deposit, and that becomes your new credit limit. And every payment that you make gets reported to the 3 major credit bureaus. Use it right, and your scores start climbing. You should see it after about a month or so. I'd start with one and then maybe pick up a second and third after you're comfortable. Here are the 4 worth looking at right now. I want to make clear that I'm not endorsing these companies. These are the ones I've done some research on, and they seem to be offering the best terms. But by all means, go to their sites, read through those terms, and make sure that you're making the best decision for yourself. Okay, OpenSky Plus, this is their new card. No credit check, no annual fee, $300 minimum deposit. Perfect if your bankruptcy is recent and you don't want another inquiry or hard pull on your report. Capital One Platinum Secured. This one is from a major bank. Capital One, we can't get away from their commercials, right? No annual fee, and you could get a $200 credit limit for as little as a $49 deposit. Just make sure your bankruptcy is discharged first. Okay, OpenSky. This is the second account from them. This is their OG card, if you will. This one charges a $35 annual fee, but their interest rates are a little lower on this one. It's a good pick if you're not sure if you're going to pay off every month. I highly recommend you do pay off every month. But if you can't, that's a good one. Okay, and last one, self-secured. $100 is all it takes to get started. No credit check, and they give you the option to also run a parallel account that's actually an installment loan, so you get 2 credit lines with them, which is great for building your credit a little bit faster. In the end, it's the new habits that will matter the most. The card is just the tool, right? What actually moves the scores for you is paying on time every month, keeping your balance under that 30% utilization. 10% is ideal of your limit, and staying patient. Most people see real progress within a few months, but 6 months for sure, you should see big jumps in your scores. So if buying a house is your goal, let's map out what that's going to take for you. Links in the bio, you can always hit me up. And again, reminding you, I'm not endorsing these companies. I don't have any affiliations with them. Please go there and read their terms. But pay on time. Keep your utilization low, stay consistent, and you will get back to winning on your score. Christian Wool with Home Sweet Loans, powered by Barrett Financial.